Have you ever had a hiccup like that? Let's find out what causes them. When we breathe, air goes down a tube called the windpipe into our lungs. But sometimes the muscle under our lungs called the diaphragm gets a little crazy and goes hic. It moves really fast by accident and that makes us suck in air suddenly. And then a little flap in our throat closes and makes the hic sound. Sometimes hiccups happen when we eat too fast, laugh too hard, or drink something fizzy. So hiccups are just your body being silly for a moment. They usually go on their own. Hic, hic. Oh, I better drink some water. Thank you guys. That'll be all for today. Bye.